Hi, I'm Sean Gannon and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about adding and subtracting radical expressions. And if I was told to simplify this problem, negative 2 times the square root of 3 plus 3 times the square root of 27. Well, look at these, and since square root of 3 and square root of 27 are not the same, I can't just combine them right now. I have to make them become the same. So 27, the square root of 27, I can rewrite that. So we have 2 square root of 3 plus 3 times whatever's the square root here, right? But 27, I can rewrite that to be 9 times 3. So 9 times 3. Okay. Now what's great about this is that I want to see if I can get somehow 27 to look like the square root, or look like 3, right? The square root of 3. Well, 9 times 3 can break apart, and now we know by our rules there that I can, well, since the square root of 9 times square root of 9 times 3 right there, I can, so this multiplication, I can separate that. So we have negative 2 times the square root of 3 plus 3 times the square root of 9 times the square root of 3. Okay? Well, now, that's pretty simple, right? Square root of 9, I know, is 3. So my next step here, negative 2 times the square root of 3 plus 3 times 3 times the square root of 3. 3 times 3 is just a 9, right? So negative 2 times the square root of 3 plus 9 times the square root of 3. And so now it's pretty simple. We've converted this, all right? We adapted it to have the same square root right there. So we add the coefficients. Negative 2 plus 9 is positive 7. And then we can bring down just the square root. So we just have the square root of 3. And there we go. Our final answer here is 7 times the square root of 3. So let's recap. We're given negative 2 times the square root of 3 plus 3 times the square root of 27. I wanted to make them both have just the square root of 3 there, or the same ones. So I knew 27 was 9 times 3. Then I separate it to be two different square roots, square root of 9 and square root of 3. Then from there, square root of 9 was just 3. 3 times 3 was 9. So now at this point, since it was square root of 3 and square root of 3 right there, we can combine the negative 2 and the 9 to give me a positive 7. And just bring down the square root of 3 to give us our final answer here of 7 times the square root